Welcome, everyone. Today, I am thrilled to take you on an exclusive tour of the Doraemon Exhibition at the National Museum of Singapore. For all you Doraemon fans out there, this is a video you absolutely can't miss. So, make sure to stick around until the very end to catch all the amazing highlights and surprises in store. Did you know that Doraemon had ears? Or that he's a time-traveling bot from 2112? If you need a refresher on Doraemon lore, nothing beats getting the facts straight from the source. You can find the answer here. The Doraemon Exhibition at the National Museum of Singapore is an exciting event that celebrates one of Japan's most beloved characters. Doraemon, created by Fujiko F. Fujio, is a robotic cat from the future who travels back in time to aid a young boy named Nobita with his everyday struggles. The exhibition offers visitors a chance to immerse themselves in the whimsical world of Doraemon through a variety of interactive displays, artifacts, and activities. From life-sized statues of Doraemon and his friends to replica gadgets from the series, fans of all ages can explore and engage with the beloved characters and their adventures. One of the highlights of the exhibition is the opportunity to learn about the cultural significance of Doraemon in Japan and around the world. Visitors can gain insights into the character's impact on popular culture, including its influence on animation, manga, and even technology. Throughout the exhibition, there are also educational components that delve into themes such as friendship, perseverance, and creativity, which are central to the Doraemon series. Interactive installations and hands-on activities provide an entertaining and enriching experience for visitors of all ages. The National Museum of Singapore often hosts special events and workshops in conjunction with the exhibition to further enhance the visitor experience. These may include cosplay contests, art workshops, and screenings of Doraemon movies or episodes. Overall, the Doraemon Exhibition at the National Museum of Singapore is a delightful celebration of a cultural icon, offering fans an immersive and memorable experience that celebrates the enduring appeal of Doraemon and his timeless adventures. We've all grown up knowing and loving Fujio's Doraemon, and so have many of today's leading contemporary artists. Check out how they remember the cartoon cat, in their own original art styles and interpretations at the Gallery Theatre and Exhibition Gallery in the basement. One of the highlights of the exhibition is the display of original manga panels showcasing key moments from Doraemon's adventures. Fans have the opportunity to see firsthand the intricate artwork and storytelling techniques that have captivated readers for generations. Additionally, the exhibition explores the cultural significance of Doraemon both in Japan and internationally. It examines how the series has transcended its origins as a children's manga to become a global phenomenon, influencing not only entertainment but also technology, fashion, and even social norms. Interactive displays and multimedia installations further enhance the visitor experience, allowing fans to immerse themselves in the whimsical world of Doraemon. From life-sized replicas of Doraemon and his friends to interactive storytelling sessions, there's something for fans of all ages to enjoy and engage with. Moreover, the exhibition often includes special events, workshops, and activities designed to deepen visitors' understanding and appreciation of Doraemon. These may include cosplay contests, manga drawing workshops, and screenings of classic Doraemon episodes or movies. Overall, the Doraemon Manga Exhibition at the National Museum of Singapore is a must-visit for fans of the series and anyone interested in Japanese pop culture. It offers a captivating journey through the history and legacy of Doraemon, showcasing its enduring appeal and cultural significance in an immersive and engaging way. The exhibition gallery features 18 unique variations of Doraemon, including canvases from popular Japanese artists such as Takashi Murakami and Yoshimoto Nara. Next door at the Gallery Theatre, you'll find artworks paying tribute to classic Doraemon movies, like Nobita's Great Adventure into the Underworld and Nobita and the Kingdom of Clouds. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Doraemon Exhibition. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.